Did you know that you could make like $25 just by simply clicking a button? Well, I didn't either. So today I'm going to show you how you can make $25 by simply clicking a button. If this opportunity was here years ago, I would have been rich by now. I would have just been clicking buttons and making the money. But I only found this out recently and it's working. So today I'm going to show you the strategy how you can make $25 by simply clicking a button. And just know this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money at all to do this. You don't need to worry about any registration costs or anything. It's absolutely free. And this is available worldwide, which means that it doesn't really matter which country you're coming from. If you're on the continent of Asia, Africa, America, South America, Europe, Australia, you can actually get access to this opportunity. And you can actually do this on your phone. If you don't want to do this on your computer, you can actually do this on your phone. So just watch the video all the way to the end. I am going to give you every single tip that you need, the step-by-step guide on how you can actually make this money, and you can do this as often as you want. Please, first of all, just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Click the subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate it. Turn on all notification bells so that anytime I have a new video, you will be the first one to watch the video and know how to make more money online. So let's get to it. The website we are going to be using today is called People Per Hour. Check this out. It's People Per Hour. This is the logo right here. People Per Hour. So you ask yourself, what is People Per Hour? Well, People Per Hour is a platform where there are freelancers and businesses and a lot of money to be made, as you can see here. So what are freelancers? Freelancers are people like you and I, the workers. Businesses are people who have money and they need you to do work for them and they are going to pay you. So this is the money earned by freelancers. So it's a lot of money and it's in pounds. It's a lot of money. And to know this is a very legit website, you can check it out in connection with BBC, Business Insider, CNBC, Financial Times, Forbes, The Independent. So it's a big deal. There's a lot of money to be made. If we knew this, we would have been making all the money. But today I'm going to show you the website so that you can start making the money. So now what you need to do, check this out. There's a search button over here. Click on it. Then what you want to do is check here, click search projects. When you click search project, it's going to give you a list of people who have work that they need done. So it's a lot of opportunities. Check this out. All categories. There's work in the admin department, business support, creative arts, design, extraordinary, marketing and PR, mobile, search marketing, social media, software development, translation, tutorials, video, photos and audio, web development, writing. So whatever department you think you're good at, there's everything for you here. And check this out. $634, 1.3, $634, $115, $8, $127, $38, $190, $127. This is amazing because right now we all stuck at home and we're trying to make money. So if you're at home just sleeping every day, I advise you to just try this and see how it works for you. I'm going to give you a secret how you can actually make the money immediately. Now, before you can make this money, the first thing you need to do, there's a sign up button here. You want to click on sign up. If you don't have an account, of course. Here, you want to say, I want to work as a freelancer. You click on it, then you can sign up with Facebook or sign up with email. Quickly put in your first name, last name, email, and password. Sign up. Boom. Once you have an account and you get back on the People Per Hour website, what you want to do, very simple. You want to go back here, search projects. When you're on search projects, I want you to do something quickly. Type in background removal. Background removal. Boom. Background removal. What is background removal? Of course, you know what background removal is. Basically, you have a photo and you want the background removed. You hate the way the background looks. There's somebody in the background that you just don't like him. You want him gone. You just want to remove the actual background. Simple as that. Of course, you've come across that kind of issue before. You just have a photo and you're like, hey, I want to remove the background, maybe for a thumbnail, maybe for whatever the issue is. I don't know. So basically, background remover and touch-up pictures, $100. That's nice. So, for example, people, I need to change color or remove background from images. $10. Ah, nice. Photo cleanup, remove of objects, $8, $50, $127, $126, $51. Amazing. So basically, you can actually make money from removing people's background from the images. As simple as that. And the good thing is that people are actually willing to pay for this because they're too busy managing their businesses, managing what they're doing. They have a lot of things they're busy doing. So they feel like if somebody can actually do this for me, I don't mind spending this amount of money because this doesn't actually cost me anything, because it actually will cost me time, because the time I'm using is actually for something else. So that's where me and you gonna come in and we're like, hey, we're gonna do this work for you. Now, check this out. I'm giving you this tip because you might not know how to remove backgrounds. You might not have any skills or anything on Photoshop or whatever that is. No worries, check this out. There's a website called remove.bg, remove.bg. If you don't know how to get there, when you're on Google, what you wanna do is you wanna type in remove BG. So it's remove BG, BG for background. So you hear the first link, remove background from image. So you want to click on that. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So basically, what is this? This is a place where they actually remove the background for you. They don't want you to stress. They want to do it all for you for free. No worries. So you want to click here, upload. First, check this. You see this image here. I just downloaded it to my computer. For example, we have this image and we actually want to remove the background from this image right here. We just don't want all of this. We just want the car. So you want to save it, click save as, and save it onto your computer. Get back here and click upload image. You click upload image. So basically, as you can see here, you will definitely choose the car. So the car will be uploaded and then they're going to do the work for you and basically remove the background for you. It's amazing. As you can see, they remove the actual background for you right here. So the car is just here by itself. And this is what the people are actually paying for. Then you want to download this onto your computer and actually, based on the image that the people have actually given you to actually submit, then you want to submit it back to the actual person who is actually paying you. And then they're going to pay you to do this. They're going to pay you to do this. Now, what you want to do is that you also want to be a person where you can actually provide this service and actually market this service, whereby you become an actual like a freelancer to actually help people, where you actually have a price. For example, you will say that, hey, I am so and so and I can remove your background for example, make it $25, $20 to $25, because that is a good price. From what I've checked, it's amazing, from $20 to $25. Keep it there. That is a secret I'm giving you. People are willing to pay that amount for this kind of work in this season right now, $20 to $25. And for example, people, there's 127, 10, 8, 50. You see, prices are ranging from different angles. 51, there's 10, there's 63, there's 51, there's 13. So you want to keep it between $20 and $25. Now, you want to go onto another website called photographytalk.com. So photographytalk.com, then when you're on the home page of Photography Talk, there's actually a forum that I want you to join. It's here. You click on forum, where there are a lot of people that are, you check here, join over 2.7 million plus, 2.7 million plus people here. So click on the forum here. Then when you're on the forum, basically it's just a lot of people, so many topics, 6, 8, 9, 2 topics, different kind of topics. So it's just a platform where people are just talking about photos and photography, and that's where you can actually provide your service and tell the people that, hey, I actually do this and this, I can remove your background, and I'll only do it for $20 to $25, and you can refer them to your actual link here to know that you actually do the work over here on people per hour. And the good thing is that people are actually going to pay you because they actually have the money. You'll be telling yourself like, hey, but are people actually going to pay to do this if this method of remove BG is available? You must understand that they're not paying you because there's no shortcut to do this. They're paying you because they don't have time. They're paying you because they don't have time, and they're dealing with higher things. They're dealing with higher things, and which is actually costing them time. So small things like this is actually not, they cannot do it because of time. So you are the person with the time, and you need to do it because you have the time. And $25 is nothing to them because they actually are dealing with higher projects. So you basically, that's what you want to do with people per hour. You want to be on this website, and you want to actually fulfill the jobs that people are actually here for. Photo background removal, $100. You want to be that person that can remove the background for people. So that is a secret I'm giving you. And at the end of the day, if you're not just into background removal, as I told you before, there's so many categories over here. If you're into design, you click on design. There's so many projects for you to do if you're into design. So I need to change color or remove background. Okay. If you're into design, there's so many things you can do. I have a PJ Masks style book, the illustrating. If you're into that, I need a 3D room rendering. If you're into that. So this is a platform not just for background removal. I'm giving you the background removal tactic because that is very easy. It's simple, and you can just make money. That's why I say just by one click, because when you hear is basically just one click and it does it all for you, and you actually make the money. And this is actually working. So the good thing you should do is actually try this method and see how it works for you. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and please comment down any questions that you do have, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on all notifications. I really appreciate it, and I will be giving you more tips on how you can make more money online in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching AD Money. Cheers.